Okay, here we go, Friday morning, and I got a signal right out of the gate. I was going to try to take a vacation till Monday, but I'm just hopelessly addicted to this. Let's see if I have two alternative trades here staged out. And I'm trying to determine which one, if any, I should take at this moment. Let's say... see if I can get filling this. So we're at 22 contracts now. 22 contracts. I'm asking 80. It looks like I'm getting... the mark is pretty close to 80 here. It's bouncing around. Don't know if I'll get filled or not. So this week, earlier in the week, we hit our the goal, our first goal, or my first goal of... Oh, I got something going on up here too. Sorry, distracted. Earlier this week, hit my goal for the zero DTE project of $1,000 per day, or $1,000 per trade, and 20 contracts. So after hitting that, I was going to take a couple days off. I did take a couple days off, actually. I was going to wait till Monday to restart and go for the second leg of this project, which is the next goal is $2,000 a day and 40 contracts. I was going to take a little breather, a little break in there, but it looks like I'm back early on Friday. Here it is, Friday, and I just couldn't resist. I couldn't resist the siren call. So here we go. So I don't know if I'll get filled in this or not. I'm not really in a hurry. We did have a signal that flashed right off at the open. So let's wait here patiently for a few moments. Let's see. What are my alternatives here? I could come in 5 points closer. Get 90. Oh, that's showing 80. It's showing 80. It's a little early. It's like the market just opened. So the market opened 4 minutes ago, so maybe everybody's still getting their act. Oh, there it goes. So we're at 80, so we're in. Okay, well, here we go. So I'm going to start off by, I'm going to lock this in at 80 so I can monitor it. And I'm going to say create opposite order. I'm going to set an automatic buyback target. So I automatically close this out once I hit my profit target. So I'm going to set this for 30. Buy back 22 contracts at 30. Create duplicate order. Throw that out there. I'm just going to come over here and make sure that it's working. There it is. And then we'll come up over here. And I'm going to uncheck this little lockbox right there so I can see the current price. I can monitor the current price. Uncheck this so I can just monitor the trade. So here's our trade. So we're in there. We're off and running Friday morning. 2 knocks for good luck. And here we go. So while we are watching this, I'm going to go over to well, I'm going to watch this for a few minutes here. There's a big move down in everything right before the market, like in the 5 or 10 minute time frame before the market opened. And I don't know what that's all about. Let's just see what the news is, if there's any news. Not really. Don't see anything on the news over here. So while this trade goes, let's go over to the room and we'll kind of hang out in there. We'll eavesdrop on the room, Rod's morning trading room, where we trade our daily micro futures day trading strategy. The strategy I call the Vince trade. So let's see what's going on over there. If you'd like to get in, if you'd like to join us in this room, we're in here every morning. That market open for a couple hours. And it's a great way to start up the morning. If you'd like to try it out, just let me know. Email me or leave a comment below, and I will get back to you with the details on how you can get a free trial. You can come on in and join us for free and check it out. So let's go over there and see what's going on this morning. Here we are. I'm going to position this so I can see my trade. And let's see what's going on in the room.
Last year, the Pac-12 and all that stuff, all that jazz. All right, Nazzy, come on down. Give us a -2 touch. Sometimes when I don't understand what the Russell's doing, I just short it. What is that? Exceeded affected order. I don't understand what that means. This account is in fine standing. What is going on here? All right, hold on. What's happening? I don't know. Not sure. All right, we're going to get long here. We're going to get another long going on the S&P. I want the absolute lows. 51.84. God dang, it's whack, whack. Whack, whack. I'm going to take a full loss over here on Top Step X. Full loss in just a moment. We're watching. We're checking. A little over the $440 risk budget. Just a little bit over. All right. Well, we got to do it. Oh, we just missed it. Just missed it. Just missed it.
Order filled.
All right. We're limiting the bleeding a little bit. This replicator's not working at all. I don't have no idea why. Now it says I can't do this either. All right. Well, let's see. Nazi back down. And a little more, a little more, a little more. Should fill me there. There we go. All right. Let's switch to trading it from the long side here. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Sometimes when... How's everybody handling this little movement this morning? So far, all the flush happened right pre to the open, and it's just continuing on a little bit. But we got some good levels to work off of here. I'm going to cancel this because I don't quite understand what's happening with this here, but I'll get in long. I'm just going to trade this live account here today for us. All right. Order rejected. The available funds in your... Okay, now that makes sense because that's a margin issue. So let's just put in a target here. We'll put in a target. Extreme turn buy on the MNQ. Where? I don't have one yet. Boba Fett. Boba Fett. Is today a quad witching day? Maybe. Could be, I guess. I don't know. I don't think we really have quad witching anymore because there's no single stock futures options or single stock. It is, so it's quad witching. All right, what makes up the fourth thing, though, since there's not any? I thought it used to be when single stock futures expired as well, but I don't think they have those anymore. Oh, VIX. There you go. That's why. The VIX. I got you. I got you. This is some good legit selling here. Legit. Maybe we take another leg down in the oh, I got a graceful exit there. I think I take it. I think I take it. But then I can buy the lows here. Come on down. That was a quick graceful exit. I probably should gracefully exit over here, but I'm not gonna. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am. It'd be irresponsible if I didn't. Irresponsible. All right, come back to Butthead. Here we go. All right, 110s, straight up ZN 110s. Straight up 110s. I'm going to move my Dow entry down to 140s. See if we get a lucky spike here. See if I have enough margin to buy another one. Yes, I do. It's because we're not long the... All right, I'm going to do my new low and 10 points. I'm going to go down to 59s. Remember, this is just sort of some made-up stuff that you can toy around with if you'd like. Just from many years of watching, the NASDAQ will tend to make a new low by 10 to 20 points when it's finding bottoms like this. Now remember, that low has to be outside of the bid zone. If not, you can just trade the bid zone. I don't know how this is possible, so I'm just going to... Very interesting. All right, trade of 8. We have a long on the MES. Same thing, I'm going to do a new low, but this time just 6 ticks. Right here. See if we can get a new low there. Oh, I'm going to see a print at 109 315s. That's not good. That ain't good. All right, here we go. All right, let me go back and look if there's any questions here. I'm sure everyone's doing their own thing. Nope, no questions. I finally got a piece of the pie. Oh, there it is. There it is. 57 contracts at 109 315s. I'm now giving back about almost everything that I made in crypto last week. Easy come, easy go. Is that Winger? Who sings that one? Easy come. Maybe it's a cover. Do hard, let you know. Remember, if you're just learning this stuff and you stick with the Dow, a lot easier to handle. So much so that we're gonna get involved in some Dow over here. We're dowing it. We're dowing it right now. There we go, long the Dow. Gonna try to get long another one here in just a minute. Little long Dow action. You know what? I'm just gonna, it's like my one winner on the board here. I'm just gonna take this and then rebuy here. So had a little Russell long. 39,140, where I'll get that one live there, but I did get in on over here. I tried to put a little snippet of me closing the take profits yesterday at half of my daily risk budget, and the snippet's up on Discord. Whoops, come on, there we go. Let me see here. I think it's under the PTR. The point I'm making is that if you hit that close button, especially at half of your risk budget, then it allowed me to place a few more trades later on in the session. It was a pretty juicy session. Obviously, we were pushing mostly to the downside there. When you have that opportunity, then I came back and basically traded it to where it was for actually made $20 across these accounts. So this one's at 51. Let me check Top Step X. I only have one NASDAQ. Only one, but I really should take it off here. All right, so we're out there. Now we just need to look and see if the S&P can bail us out. Can you please add Flexi Trade to Discord? We already have a Flexi Trade, I think, don't we? I think they already did that. I don't have to do anything anymore. The lunatics are taking over the asylum. It's already there. Look at the big brain on Brad. What in the F? Double B passing a Flexi Trade account. See, look at what we can accomplish here, people, if we put our minds to it. Look at what we can accomplish. Go, Brad. Let's bring this up again, ladies and gentlemen, because without sounding too cheesy, this is why I do this thing. It ain't for me. It's the skills that you guys are developing. Damn. Look at that. So we already have a Flexi Trade account. I don't know. You guys can talk amongst yourself. I hope it all works out. But need I say that the 4 or 5 firms that I was never able to get a hold of, the only one that's worked out is Bullinox. All the others, Earn Max, whatever. Remember Earn Max, whatever? They're gone. Scams. Never wanted to talk to me. Little old me. PJX Capital or whatever, gone. Ooh, Dow's really crapping the bed here a little bit now. Yeah, we got it. And by the way, not only that, there's 5 more coming soon. 5 more, baby. All right, I need to do a order here at 18,084s. Maybe I can sell some puts today at 18,000. We'll see if it really falls apart. All right, hold on. MNQ. Whoops. Here we go. All right. I want to be in right here. Right here. Right there. Darn it, Nazi, getting away from me here a little bit. Turn that frown around. Let's turn that frown around. Okay. MES. Look out, baby. Ah. Back in. Back in it. Back in it to win it. I don't understand what's going on here. It won't let me. All right. Screw it. We're doing it over here. Oh. Hit it. Ooh, I have a red. What is this? I've never seen this before. Manual lockout. Does that mean I've lost too much money? I'm manually locked out. Manual lockout. It locks my account for the day, but why? I'm still in the hunt here. Don't these accounts have $1,000 drawdowns? I ain't gonna draw down $1,000. Don't worry. Maybe I will. Let's do it in front of you. Total implosion on a Friday. I think it's my choice. I don't know. I've never been down this much in Top Step X. It's a new experience. Oh, I can click the button. Ooh, you mean if I just click this button right here? It's got a little AI on it going, Rod, I think you've fallen off the deep end today. We would like to save you from yourself. I'll tell you where I've fallen off the deep end is looking at these rates. What is going on? Let's look at this together. Let's look at this together. By the way, let me log in here to this, and then we can look at the positions here. Yeah, these are okay. These positions I can deal with. I can deal with these. But this, what in the F? All right, got to get long. Look at that. Isn't that a top? Can you guys tell me it's a top? Can you make me feel better that it's a top? Let's draw something in here to make us feel like it's a top. There we go. Okay. There we go. How about we draw something stupid like this too? We'll draw this just because it seems like. Why don't we even do this? Let's do a channel, a ridiculous channel. All right, we're gonna take a. Where's the channel, guys? Right here. Yeah. How about we do a parallel channel? Go like this, and then use total discretion like that. And then that makes me feel like shit because we could go all the way up here. 450. 450 is going to leave a mark. I can't deal with 450. 450 is going to put us down to like 108 and a half. No, maybe 10, probably 108 and a half. All right, everybody. This is where it stops. Apparently not. Uh-oh. All right. You guys forgot to tell me about the Michigan sentiment. Damn it. We need to look at this over here. It's not quite hamster on meth, but it sort of looks like it. Sort of has a hamster on meth-ish look. You guys talk amongst yourselves while I look at the pain that is this, because what it's doing is this. By the way, is this yeah, that's the right contract. Oh, all right, so let's draw in some support. Clearly this is support. I mean, come on now. Clearly. And you know why it's support? Because we're going to make it green. Right? We're going to make it green, and then it's definitely support. See? It's support now. Oh, woe's me. Woe's me. Well, this is going to be my finest hour. My big comeback over here. New lows for the Dow Jones and an extreme turn buy. Can't see that not working. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. All right, we're gonna throw caution to the wind and get long at the minus 2s if we can get there. Meanwhile, back in this thing here, oh man, we got all the way down to 51.74s. How come you guys didn't tell me? 51.74s. Let's watch the Dow here. Doing some stuff off screen that I don't recommend. Most of the stuff that I do off screen I don't recommend. All right. That's enough of a little pop there. I'll take it. There we go. Make it green. We're still losing our ass, but we have a chance. So you're saying there's a chance. I want some more Dow over here. Think it's going to let me? I think it's going to. Boom. Give me some more Dow. Oh, ZN up 3 ticks from the low. Who's the best ever? I'm just kidding, gang. I'm just kidding. Just new boot goofing. Just new boot goofing. Oh my God, I'm going to break even on it. I may or may not have bought 20 contracts at 109.315. I mean, I may or not. I could have. Maybe I did. And scalp them out for 4 ticks. Bam! Take that. All I need is $888,000 more dollars, and I can get a Singer Porsche. All right, come on down. Let's give us a -2 touch. You know you want to do it. You know what we got today, too? We got velocity today. Velocity. Is Rod okay? I'm okay. I'm all right. This is how I deal with a number over here that you guys aren't seeing. It's a pretty bad number. So we just come over here and I talk it out. Maurizio, remove the MNQ. You could just do it. Remove the MNQ from your charts. Look at the Russell come on back down here. Here we go. All right. I keep shorting the NASDAQ on the pops, but here I'm going to get long an MNQ on the next drop, as you can see. Should have another scare the children opportunity here. All right, we're long. Can't see that working out. right, hold on. Disconnect here. There we go. God darn it. Got to get stopped out of this one before I can place the order to re-enter. Oh, that's nice. There's a couple bottles of Trader Joe's wine. A couple bottles. All right, I'm going to disconnect from this. Oh, we got stopped out. All right, let's try this now. Here we go. All right, so that little move over here is still not helped us because the MES is not popped. MNQ, we didn't get another add on there. We need to get an add on here. All right, come on down for one more fill. I knew it was you, Phil. All right, hold on a second here. All right. There you go, Nazi. All right. Come on, S&P. You can do it. 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 Here we go. Break even. Graceful exit. Boom. Take it. Take it to the limit. Now we just need a little bit of love from the S&P. There you go. Break above, close above 51.82.75. Russell hanging around doing nothing right at VPOC. Crude oil doing nothing, hasn't made a move at all down to where we want it to, 79.15s. Gold bounced nicely off that level. Look at that. Nice bounce from gold. I think we got one more thing where we got to take it here. Join the ask. All right, now we'll buy another pullback if we get it. Somehow we actually made money on the NASDAQ today, but lost our ass on the S&P so far. We're doing both. We're taking it to the limit. We're taking it easy. I may or may not have bought 15 contracts this time at another test of 110. So you want to talk about picking up pennies in front of a steamroller? I don't think I'm going to get steamrolled at this level because, you know, you guys all made me feel that we got it right. Like, look at this. How is that not a buy? Come on now. How is that not a sell? This looks less of a sell. That's right. My feelings are important. Thank you, Rebecca. It's helpful. Look at the big brain on Rod over here, okay? Just check it out. Okay? Look at me. All right, Sean comes in there. Come on, listen. My favorite comments from Liam today is Rod okay? Is Rod okay? All right. We're going to let's look at the S&P over here. MES. Oops. You got to actually click on it. It's kind of here we go. All right. I have to take one right here. So if we get to that's our level there. You got this really wacky double distribution here. It's not wacky. It just is what it is. So here we go. Kind of want to buy all the NASI pullbacks into the bid zone here, but probably not confident enough. All right. We got it. We got one of the S&Ps off there. I'm going to take another one here. And then we got our Dow, which is going to come back up and start making us some money. Look at this. You think, is this good? Hold on. Is this good? We're halfway through the month, and we're below starting stack. Count balance is 97.77. So we're down 300 below starting stack halfway through the month. That's okay. That's why we just control our risk. Is being down $1,400 controlling risk? No. But here's the thing. I didn't lose more than $600 on any given day as it went down $1,400. And that's a two lot. What if you had 30 contracts that you're going to get assigned at 111? Would that be good? Probably not. But that's not true either. Only 15. And I just made $6,600 scalping 6 ticks at a time. All right, let's come down. Let's go back over to something a little bit more positive like that. All right, Nazi, I own you. Come on into the bid zone again, or not. Who's got some NASDAQ inventory on looking for VWAP? My suggestion would be lighten when we come outside of the bid zone here. Just lighten a little and then reload, and keep your core on. Keep your core on, but don't look for that last one every time all the way up there. You just took it off. Yeah, that's awesome. I can't give any advice to Brad anymore. You know why? Because bam, look at that. I think, Brad, that you should get rid of all the notes section and everything when people log in here and just put that as the first thing people see every day. You know what else we got coming down the pipe? We got these guys, beta.phoenix. Yeah, look at this. I literally, there's 10 more. They contact me. They're coming soon. You'll hear about it first here. Oh, they don't have the website up if you go like that. There we go. We build traders. Of course we do. And they got just like Flexi Trade, they got this cheese ball cart. Oh my goodness. Let's walk through the park with our hands in our pocket. Actually, just with one arm. This guy has, oh no, that's his arm right there. This guy needs like a neck tattoo. That would be edgy. If they did like a explainer video with a neck tattoo, if he had like a neck tattoo, maybe a little bit of scruff. Yeah, it says exactly. It says no regrets. If you guys haven't seen We Are the Millers, quite possibly it's top 10 best movie of all time. Rebecca, have you ever had to deal with a tarantula bite to the groin? Have you ever had a patient? I always think we literally paused it right on that and was like, whatever makeup person got to do this piece of makeup, that must have been fun. You guys got to see We Are the Millers. There's so many good lines in that. You're making $10,000? You're making $40,000? You guys are getting paid? All right. On our last Dow here, I'm just going to take it off there. If we come back inside this area, we own this Dow today. There we go. Let's push it up a little bit. All right, we got stopped. All right. I haven't hit the button here to manually lock myself out. I'm gonna stay in the game. Oh, is that what it is? A brown recluse? I thought it was a tarantula or something. Tarantulas really don't bite, do they? A brown recluse. I like the gay cop. That actor's hilarious. Oh my goodness. We just made money again real quick. Here we go. Take it. All right. As long as everyone's having as much fun as I am this morning. Guys, I ordered yet another coffee machine, but this one's not really a machine. It's one of those like bespoke things that they send you. What do you mean send you? That they market to you once they know, hey, this numbnuts spends way too much money on coffee machines. Hold on a second. I got to show you. It's so cool. It's very Art Deco. I don't have it yet. I just ordered it. It's a pour over. Lardera Coffee Roasters. That's it. Here we Oh no, don't want that. God, they have such great imagery. Can't find a good. Such a great website, but I can't find the thing I bought. Oh, here it is. This is it. Bought this. It's really cool. This is a super good site in terms of their marketing. Really nice. Really nice. Seeing as I'm going to be taking over a kombucha company again soon, I need to learn how to do e-marketing. All right, let's hit it again here. Join the bid right at the -2s. -1s, excuse me. I'm going to do it at -1. All right. We got a short on here. Not that this matters. I should have researched it. I believe it has some kind of a vacuum methodology. You just put the water in the left side. It does the cool pour over drip thing. You know, you see a video on TikTok, you just buy it. Especially if, TikTok's going to get banned again soon. You need to buy everything that they serve you. You guys ever been to that site? You can do a search. I can't remember, but you can do a search and see the profile that both Google and Facebook have on you in terms of all of the keywords and interests, and it's insanity. Like insanity. It's like, yep, that's pretty much me. They nailed it. Sounds like me. Sounds like life to me. Ain't no. Love it or hate it, you got to know this country artist, man. They write a good lyric. Sounds like life to me. I like that song, Drop Kick Me Jesus Through the Goalposts of Life. Or was it Travis Tritt? Did he die? Who died? One of the big country guys died. I think he saw Travis Tritt. That doesn't sound right. Um, Toby Keith. That's right. So it's Toby Keith. I think he sang that song that I love, which is "Not as good as I once was, but I'm as good once as I ever was." And the verses that lead into that chorus are just great. Drop kick me, Jesus, through the goalposts of life. Drop kick me, Jesus, through the goalposts of life. All right, so what do we got going on in the household over there? You got the French press, the Nespresso, the AeroPress, freeze dried. Got it all happening. I love it. My buddy, when I was growing up, one of my best friends, still is one of my best friends, although we've grown slightly apart since he's gone totally wacko, but somewhat wacko. He's a cardiothoracic surgeon, actually, and we used to dissect fetal pigs, and he was totally into MASH, and he got me into MASH. We're like 8, 9, 10 years old. We're watching MASH. Love MASH. MASH got to be one of the best shows ever. The final episode of MASH, the finale or whatever, It's a movie basically. So good, unbelievable. The end of that series, great. Anyway, when he got deployed, he was in the RO. I don't know what he was, but um, I should know more about this. But he had 2 deployments as a surgeon in Iraq, and he decided to kind of recreate and be like Trapper and Hawkeye. And was that what? How come I'm forgetting the characters? Anyway, he created an entire coffee brewing thing on the base there, and he's all these funny pictures of him, and he just lived out our what we've loved when we were kids. We loved that show, and he was brewing coffee on an army base in combat. Interesting. Good old Dr. K. All right, Toby Keith. How Do You Like Me Now? That's a great song. There's a hedge fund manager that was on MASH. I don't know. Is it Klinger? This guy's got to be 80 years old. Alan Alda. Is Alan Alda alive still? He is, right? I would have remembered if Alan Alda died. Pretty sure Alan Alda's alive. Trapper John and BJ. There's actual lyrics to the intro music. Dun, 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 dun. That song's called "Suicide Is Painless." 'Cause suicide is painless. Do 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 do. The federal government, the hubris to think that they can force a foreign company to sell assets, it's just unbelievable. Do you understand how laughable this thing is? Do you know what percentage of TikTok's daily users are in the US? Like 7%. If I was them, I'd go, thanks. Bye. Thank you. Man, it's going to save me a lot of money. That TikTok shop's just too easy. Just push the button. Apple Pay. Give me more of that. I want that thing too. Mouth tape. Yes, please. Under eye bag cream. Yes, please. Colloidal minerals. Give me some of that. All right, we're straight up 7:30. Got a little bit of time left here on our Fun Friday. Hope you've enjoyed yourself. All right, I'm gonna get myself a little bit more S&P at this level right here. Right here. Just buy it. Chai soy. I like that Asian guy that's on the Daily Show. He's been doing some funny things about this. Oh my goodness. You know what's going to make my weekend? I just got paid a commission from Flowbots. Thank you, everybody, for buying Replicanto. $88.40. I'm set. I'm set. Yeah, Ronnie Chang. That's that guy's name. He's kind of funny. That show's spun off more successful comedians than Saturday Night Live almost. Steve Carell, Colbert. All right, Nazi, come back down. I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you right in here at 87's where we need to be, right? Oops. Let's look at Brad's thing again. 87's is where we want to be. Boom. Order rejected. Max position size exceeded. What? How can my max position size be exceeded? I have a 2-lot on. Very weird. Just going to hit the max position size exceeded. What? Oh, even these working orders they care about? Hold on a second. All right. The working orders count? What is wrong with these people? Come on, Michael Patak. All right. How many micros can you have on? 5, right? 5 in the 50 or 10? 5? I don't think these are OCOs. I don't have any fancy settings on here. Anyway, let me cancel this because they screwed me. Orders. Open orders. Open orders. Oh, maybe I have. I'll cancel that. Because I want to be in on at 87s. 18,087s. I'm all screwed up. Where the hell is price? All right. Can I buy here? Yes. Okay. All right. Here we go. Traders, I got to tell you, if watching me fumble around here like a drunk monkey doesn't give you inspiration that anybody can do this, I don't know what will. So I'm just going to hit the join the ask right here. But another winner, chicken dinner. Oh, if they were OCOs, I guess so. I don't know. We figured it out. It let me get another one on. I should have had a 2-lot on there. So far, I haven't been killed by the woman with the 2 names. All right, we're making a big comeback here. Big comeback. Don't hold me down. Uh, no, no joke. I did send this to some of my buddies. Let's post it. Let's post it in here. We're gonna post it in here, just so that you guys all know, because there's some other weird stuff that happened too. But I bring this all on myself. But hold on a moment. Here we go. If you guys are into sports and you don't follow this guy, Gavin McHugh, he is funny as heck as well. All right, here we go. I'm just going to put this in Discord under random.
Okay,
You
so
guys
here
will
we
all
are.
know what
Let
it
me
means.
pause the room here. So I'm going to set an exit to get out of this. It's a new strategy I've been kind of contemplating using. I'm going to try it today. So I'm just going to get out at, let's get out at 40. And it just has to do with, there's this new signal that I've been watching for the last couple of weeks. It's an indicator, and I'm still testing it. But as far as this part of the indicator works, it's telling me to get out at this point. I can either reduce, I can cut it in half, which is probably like, after I confirm that this is like the legit thing and it's really working and everything, I could cut it in half. Let's see if I can go to 45 here. So take off half the position and then leave the other half on. I can do that, or I can just take the whole position off. And this doesn't happen a lot, but the times that I've seen this indicator light up like this, or signal, this is the right decision to make. So let's see if I can get filled here at 45. So I heard the chime. It looks like we probably got filled there. Let's take a look. Yes, we got out of those at 45. So there we go. I'll continue to monitor this and see if that was the right decision or not. I'll be sharing this stuff later on, but I just want to confirm it first. I don't want to be throwing these ideas out there with them not being totally tested. But it seems like this indicator that when it lights up in this type of a situation that this trade is in right now, it makes sense to at least get rid of half the position, 50%, and maybe even the full position. And with it being Friday today, with me having these weird Friday days because with my kids' school stuff and extracurricular activities on Fridays, I'm just going to get out of here. Well, I just did. I got out of that at 45. So let's see what that gives us. That gives us $770. Let's pull up the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, here we go. So we're back at it. Getting in a little early. I couldn't resist. I need to find a 12-step program for traders. I'm a junkie. It looks like I'm hooked. I'm addicted. I can't. My plan was to take a few days off and try to clear my mind and relax. But look at, I'm back at it already. So today is 3/15. 3/15/24. March 15th. On that trade, we made $770. $770. our total risk. Total risk in the trade was 9240. $9240 was the total risk, and we were in this trade for about 1 hour and 65 minutes. 65 minutes, an hour and 5 minutes. Okay, there we go. I think I screwed something up, so I'm going to recalculate these numbers. So we'll come up here and just, this is the win column. So we'll come down there. We'll say this is the loss. These are the losers. So I'll calculate that. And then we'll combine the two together to get the total, which is 10,360. So what does that mean for our next trade? Our next trade, that was 22 contracts. So if we say 420 times 24 contracts, oh yeah, we could do 24. That's nuts. I don't think we can do 25 though, right? 420. Yeah, so we're at 24 contracts now. Holy moly, at this point, this thing is just really starting to snowball as far as the scaling and the compounding. It's a little scary, actually. It's just like, it feels like it's getting out of control. It's just going up too quick in contract size and dollar amounts. All right, so that's for the next one. All right, so that's it for this one. We're back at it. This is the leg 2 of the 0DTE options trading experiment, and we are off and running. Our next goal is to hit $2,000 per winning trade, or $2,000 a day. That's the goal, and that would be, we would need to do have a position size of 40 contracts to do that. So we're at 24 now. We're not that far away at the rate this is compounding. All right, so that's it for this one. If you'd like to follow along with me on these trades or any of my other trades, just make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel below, and just hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment, too, if you have any questions or anything. Also, be sure to join me on my website. I'll leave a link to my website in the description below. Just head on over there, sign up for my free email newsletter, and when you do that, you'll get a welcome email sent to you right away. Just reply back to that welcome email. That's the best way to email me and get a hold of me, and I'll respond to you, and we'll go from there. All right, that's it for this one. See you next time.